everyone. Hey beauty connoisseurs, welcome to the channel. Today I have a melted hairline unit by Outre. Her name is Mikaella and I got it in the DR2 creamy toffee, which is the reason I bought this wig, is just for the color. I think it's such a beautiful color and I saw it on someone and I just had to get a wig in that color. And it's the typical cap construction for the melted hairline. If you're not familiar with it, it has an elastic band inside and you have the two combs at the front. You have the lace across the front and the comb in the back with the adjustable bands. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is a main concept unit, Serene, and I'll leave the information card for it right up above. So this is the melted hairline Mikaella, and I got it in the DR2 creamy toffee. And again, I got this wig because of the color. I saw it on another Outre melted hairline wig, but it was sold out. It was a straight style and the color was so pretty. So I'm not even sure if the color is consistent across the different wigs, but I do like this color. It is so pretty and I like the style. I think it's great for the summer and for vacation and going to the beach, and it's the perfect length. It's about 18 to 20 inches. It's not too long, but it is long because you want it to be long, you know, when you're on the beach and doing your vacation. And it's normal density. It's not super thick, and it's, you know, it's not skimpy. I can't feel the tracks, and I didn't glue it down. I just used bobby pins here on the side, and I just used a little bit of the wispy hairs. They kind of had the baby hairs too thick and too long, and so with it being a middle part, you really don't need all of that coming down here. And as usual with the melted hairline, I think the hairline just comes a little bit too close to your eyebrows for some reason. That's been my experience with the melted hairline. And it does come ear to ear. I mean, I could even cut some of this off if I really just wanted to, but I'm not going to be showing the hairline or anything like that. So you see that wispy hair right there? It's just, I guess I could tuck it under or something, but yeah, this is, I love this color. And the style that I wanted it in, it was sold out, and I'm just in love with this color. It's so pretty. It also comes in my favorite color, the DR2 ginger brown, but it comes in a Java frost. Any of these colors would be pretty. So trying to think. Oh, I used the wide tooth comb and I didn't really manipulate the wave pattern too much. And so I don't have any shedding or tangling, and it's not snagging at the bottom either, so that's good. The cap is fitting snug because I utilized that elastic band that they have in it, and I'm gonna say that it's big head friendly simply because the hairline does come ear to ear. Matter of fact, it's more than ear to ear. So I think that, you know, a 23-inch head could easily wear this unit, and it's pretty much beginner friendly and budget friendly. It was $38.94 from Wig Types, and I believe this color was $2 more, so I'm not sure if it was $36.94 with the $2 or if it's $38.94 plus $2, because they don't put the price on. I mean, they put a packing slip, but they didn't put the price on it, so I just wrote the price in here. Let's put on our sunnies.